Good morning, guys. Praful here. Welcome back. Today is 9th of August. Today is the Monday, and I had taken a 16100 and 16450 strangle. Plus, in order for the spiking calls during the first candle, I had to shift some of the calls to shift some of the puts to 16150. But when the market started coming down, I had to shift them back to 16100. So we are sitting on a 16450 and a 16100 strangle. We had almost captured like 3 points of decay, but again now the puts are spiking, so we are kind of the MTMs are getting dragged down, but that's not an issue. We have a stop loss for 2500 quantity at 28. If at all the stop loss gets hit, like I'm going to shift to 16050 straddle, because I'm not going to take any additional risks today, additional credit today. But according to me, this should not happen unless we clearly take out the CPR breach होने तक इसका कुछ टेंशन नहीं रहेगा. And on the Bank Nifty account, so we have placed this straddle, 2 lots मैंने place किया है using the algorithm. So you can see that the code is running and it is monitoring the trade. And ये क्या है, क्या चीज है, like I'll keep you guys posted about this. It's still in the testing phase, so that's why I don't want to give out much about this. So this is the code spider पे run हो रहा है, and the entire trade, like right from taking the trades, buying the hedges, monitoring and stop loss, everything is done by the algo. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. The time is 9:28. All right, guys, the markets is showing a great deal of strength, especially Bank Nifty, and we are at a breakout level, and we are about to break out the 36 round number. We already gave a closing about 36,000 round number, and we are about to break out the yesterday's high and day before yesterday's high. So it's a 2 days range. So if at all we see a breakout, there's going to be a further up move, and because of which I have closed my position. Managed to capture a decent amount of decay, not bad. Like we captured around 4 points of decay and 17k here. And on the Bank Nifty account, the system threw me out. हमारा जो rules है, alpha rules जो बनाए हमने, so using those alpha rules, in spite of this kind of a spike, in spite of this massive spike, we managed to exit cost to cost. So that's the power of algo for you guys. And yeah, if I take any further trades, I'll keep you guys posted. But since I have some other work today, most probably this will be the end of my trading day. Very quick in and out kind of a trade. Abhi time 9:40 bhi 9:45 bhi nahi hua hai. All right, guys, the time is 4 o'clock and I got home back just some time back. And जब मैं बाहर था, using my phone, I placed this positional trade, which is a classic calendar at 36,500 and 35,500. So classic calendar क्या है क्या नहीं है, I think you guys, most of you guys know. Classic calendar is basically you're shorting a straddle, or I mean you're shorting a strangle, and you're buying the hedges of the next week at the same strike. So यहाँ पे 36,500 का call and 35,500 का put को मैंने short किया है इस week का, and the same strike का hedges मैंने next week में buy किया है. So the market was quite volatile today. Yeah, just a minute. Yep, the market was quite volatile. We saw an up move and Bank Nifty again a proper fake out, range breach करके fake out करके वापस पूरा cover किया, and then we had a mad up move. So all sorts of volatility that was seen in the market though, and Nifty almost fell from 16,320 to 16,180, almost 150 points. 1% का intraday में downfall आया, but on a close to close basis we are exactly flat. इंट्राडे ट्रेड्स में मैं कुछ नहीं लिया, एंड आई डिडंट डू एनी एडजस्टमेंट्स टू दिस पोजीशन. मैंने जैसे लिया एंड आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट इट, एंड मैंने जो पोजीशन लिया समवेयर अराउंड 12 o'clock, नो 11:30, एंड उसके बाद मैंने पोजीशन को कंप्लीटली भूल गया था. आई हैड माय एडजस्टमेंट पॉइंट्स, इधर 35,700 ब्रीच होना चाहिए था नीचे बैंक निफ्टी, और 36,300 ब्रीच होना चाहिए था टुवर्ड्स द अपसाइड. ओनली देन आई वुड हैव adjusted, but fortunately we had no adjustments to be made, and the day's MTM is 22,391, but ये 22,391 पे इसका जो है इसका almost 5k इसका ही है. So 17k for the day here. I mean intraday trade से 17k है, and on the Bank Nifty account the algorithm took another trade at some point of time, and that also I think we came out cost to cost, because of course none of the straddles would have worked when market does this, right? And considering the fact that we are in the low IV environment, so the fall from 36,150 to almost 35,760, almost 400 points का fall को कोई straddle संभालेगा नहीं. But in spite of that, we managed to not take any hit whatsoever. We came out cost to cost. That's a good thing. And 232 rupees मतलब plus में ही है. And I was just trying with just 2 lots today, correct? So, and I have a long elaborate plan about this algo क्योंकि काफी महीनों से मतलब ये algo हम तैयार कर रहे हैं. And a lot of meticulous effort has gone behind this. So while preparing the strategy, while back testing it, and while handling all kinds of errors that we get from NSE होने दो, Zerodha होने दो, or even हमारा internet provider से होने दो, so we have managed to kind of encapsulate all the errors and handle them well. So what's this algo and all that, like I'll keep you guys posted. अभी it's still in the testing phase. अभी next for 1 month ये छोटा account में you'll be seeing all the testing कैसे होती है algo का, that you guys will get to see. So yeah, around 18k for the day intraday में. अगर इसका MTM भी पकड़ेंगे तो around 23k, 22 and a half k. We had a decent Monday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.